My name is Wilma Holman. I'm with the Beaufort County Black Chamber of Commerce, and I have been with the Black Chamber since 2003. Budgeting is something I love to talk about, and everybody needs to know that when it comes to budgeting, it's not a bad word. A lot of people think it's a bad word because they feel as though it's going to tie them up and tie their money up. But that's not really what budgeting is all about. When you set a budget, you're basically just naming where that money is going to be used. Giving it a name is all you're doing. If you want it for entertainment, you name it entertainment and put that in your budget. Whatever you want, whatever's important to you, because everybody's budget is going to be different. Now, when you're going to start a budget, when you sit down to actually begin your budget, you need to have, like I said, pencil and paper. You need to look at how you've spent in the past. And that's going to be your categories. So you do that first, but then you take all of your income. And when I say income, because a lot of people work more than one job and they'll give you the income from one job. But basically, any money coming in, from child support, from a gig type job, your first job, second job, anything. When you get birthday presents, that's money coming in. You got to really think about how you're getting all your source of money, and that's what you bring in to do your budget. You know, I'm just saying is the way we think about money, the way we do things could be altered if we would just get our mindset right to make changes. A budget should be set for, I think, monthly, or it could be weekly depending on how you get paid, but the monthly would probably be better. And once you set it, then you have to look at exactly how you are spending, because to see if you are meeting your budget. A lot of times you'll say, I'm going to put so much money in a category, but when you look back on it, you either spent more than you thought you were going to spend, or you spent less, one or the other. So you can alter that, you can change it, so that next month you go and say, well, I didn't spend that much in food, or I didn't spend that much in whatever. So you adjust it down or up. But that if you adjust that pot, then you have to adjust others as well. But you always are looking to see, how am I actually spending compared to how I've said I'm going to spend. When it comes to money, it should not be a guessing game, or you can't be afraid of it. You have to embrace it. You have to be honest with yourself, and then you have to set some boundaries. And a budget helps you set those boundaries.